In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to Ghibli style. We'll take a regular photo, bring it into ChatGPT, guide the AI with a focus prompt, and let it render a charming, hand-painted look inspired by classic animation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload, what to type, and how to generate a result that feels warm, cinematic, and storybook beautiful. First, upload your photo in ChatGPT. Choose an image that's clear, well lit, and in good focus. Soft natural light often works best, and a simple background helps the model interpret shapes cleanly before it adds its own lush scenery. Higher resolution images provide more detail for the transformation, but don't worry if yours isn't perfect. Just make sure the subject is visible and not heavily cropped. Drag and drop your photo or use the upload icon, then confirm it appears in the chat so the AI can reference it directly. Next, type a prompt like, "Turn this image into Studio Ghibli-style anime art with soft watercolor lighting, detailed background, warm colors, and cinematic atmosphere." This sentence gives the model a clear creative direction. Studio Ghibli-style anime art sets the overall aesthetic. Soft watercolor lighting encourages delicate shading and gentle highlights. Detailed background signals the AI to add those whimsical, layered environments. Warm colors tilts the palette toward golds, ambers, and soft greens, and cinematic atmosphere nudges the composition toward depth, framing, and mood. You can personalize the prompt with a brief description of your subject or scene, like mentioning a meadow, a quiet town street, or a cozy room, but keep it concise so the focus stays on the style. Now, generate the image. Send your message and give the model a moment to process the photo and apply your instructions. When the image appears, look for the hallmarks of the look you asked for: gentle watercolor textures, a cohesive warm palette, and a background that feels alive without overpowering the subject. If the first result isn't exactly what you imagined, tweak a few words and generate again. For a softer glow, emphasize soft, diffused watercolor lighting. For more world building, reinforce lush, storybook background with natural elements. Small, targeted adjustments usually produce noticeable changes. That's it. Upload your photo in ChatGPT, type the focus prompt, and generate the image. With a clear picture and a precise description, you'll consistently get a dreamy, cinematic result that evokes the timeless feel of hand-painted animation.